wait for you here. Okay, so buff up now. I mean use your food buffs if you did not. Let's try to move us one. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, are we ready? Are we all complete here? Don't move. Don't move. Wait, Jan, don't move. Samichi, don't move. Don't move. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Move now. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Move now. Move now. Move now. Alright, let's move. Let's move as one. Let's move as one. Tanks, pull them. Okay, pull them. Pull them. Pull them. Pull them. Okay. Let's kill this one. Okay. Try to move at pin 6, okay? Pin 6, pin 6, pin 6. Pin 6, guys. Pin 6, pin 6. Main ball, main ball. If you can go to pin 1, it's much better, okay? Pin 1, pin 1. Main ball, pin 1. Main ball, pin 1. Main ball, pin 1. If you can to move to pin 1, move to pin 1. Try to move pin 1, guys. Pin 1 and sustain. Pin 1 and sustain. Pin 1 and sustain. Don't fight at pin 6, guys, okay? Don't fight at pin 6. If you can run and go to pin 1, it's much better. Because it's not a choke. Let's go. Let's set up at pin 1, guys. Pin 1, pin 1. Let's set up at pin 1, guys. Because you're getting sandwich there. Pin 1, guys. Guys, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1. Pin 1, you're getting sandwich there. Just go pin 1, just go pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1. Pin 1. Flank team, flank team, flank team. Go with us, okay? We don't play with we play as one today. Okay. Now I see a lot of people here, okay? It's good, it's good. Okay? Just stay here, stay here, stay here. Then try to lure the boss. Try to lure the boss, okay? Try to lure the boss. Lure the boss, lure the boss to us. Lure the boss to us, lure the boss to us, okay? Just lure the boss to us. Lure the boss to us. Don't engage. You can just hook and kill, hook and kill, hook and kill, hook and kill, okay? Hook and kill, hook and kill. Then AoEs, you can throw it near the boss, okay? Nice. Just keep coming back on pin 1, guys. Pin 1, pin 1. Pin 1. Frelea, your team's job is to pull the boss, okay? We will pull the boss. We will pull the boss. We will pull the boss, okay? Pull the boss, pull the boss, pull the boss. Hit the boss, hit the boss. Hit the boss while fighting. Hit the boss while fighting. If you're getting sandwich, you can jump at pin 7. Just keep on coming back, okay? Coming back at pin 1. Pin 1 is ours. Pin 1 is ours. Okay? Just pin 1, guys. Pin 1, pin 1, pin 1, pin 1. It's okay that you're dying. It's fine, it's fine. Just keep on pulling the boss. Keep on pulling the boss, guys. Keep on pulling the boss. Keep on pulling the boss, guys. There you go, there you go. Okay. Okay, then, if you can hit the boss, hit the boss. If you can hit the boss, hit the boss, okay? If you can hit the boss, hit the boss. There you go, there you go. There you go. Let's hit the boss. Everyone hit the boss. Everyone hit the boss. Hit the boss, hit the boss, hit the boss. Everyone hit the boss, okay? Then come back at pin 1. Come back at pin 1. Pin 1, guys. Just go at pin 1. Relaya. Pull the boss. Okay. Just kill. Pull and 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 kill. Okay. The boss is ours again. The boss is ours again. Okay. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. Get country, guys. Get country. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Okay. Focus on boss. Okay. Focus on boss. Focus on boss. We don't need to sandwich them. We don't care about sandwich. We don't care about sandwich. We care about hitting the boss. Hitting the boss. Hitting the boss. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. We don't care about kills. Kills won't give us anything. Just hit the boss. Hit the boss, guys. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. Don't engage them. Don't engage them. Just keep on hitting the boss. Keep on hitting the boss. Hitting the boss. Hit the boss. Hit the boss, guys. Guys, hit the boss. Hit the boss. The boss contribution is much important than killing them. Okay? Try to go. Oh, jump down, jump down, jump down, jump down. Jump down, jump down, jump down. So we don't lose contribution. Jump down, jump down, jump down. Jump down at pin 7, pin 7, pin 7, guys. For those who has a lot of country, go pin 7. Okay. I just got pulled down, but just continue, repeat, pull the boss, then hit the boss. Then if the boss is on their side, pull them and kill them, but don't go inside their zergs. Okay? Just pull and hit. Pull and hit. Okay? Let's go, let's go. Stay at pin 1. Then if you're getting sandwich, just jump to pin 7. Then go back to pin 1. Okay? Try to pull the boss. Pull the boss again. Pull the boss again. Pull the boss again. Pull the boss again. There you go. Okay? Get country now. The boss is ours. The boss is ours. Get country. Get country. Get country. Get country. Country, 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 country. Country. Okay, nice. Get country, guys. Just get country. Get country. Get country. Get country. Get country. Just get country. Get country. Get country, guys. Get country. Just get the boss again. Get the boss again. Get the boss again. Okay. Try to pull. Pull and hit. Pull and hit. Pull and hit, guys. Okay. The boss is ours again. The boss is ours again. Okay. Now, guys. They're fighting each other. Get country. Get country. Get country, guys. Get country. 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 Contribution. 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 Pop your guardians if can. Pop your guardians if can. Guardians and Remedy, okay? They're trying to push us. Jump at pin 7 now. Pin 7 now. Pin 7 now. Pin 7 now. Jump at pin 7 now. Jump at pin 7 now. Okay? Now they're moving back. Okay, go back now. Go back now. We have the boss again. We have the boss again. We have the boss again. Okay, pin 1 again. Pin 1 again, guys. Guys, pin 1 again. Pin 1 again. Nice one. Pin 1 again, guys. Pin 1. They're fighting each other. They're fighting each other. They're fighting each other. Just get the boss. Get country on 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 the boss. Nice one. Nice one. We're getting the top one. We're getting the top one. We're getting the top one. Okay, just repeat. Get country, then if they're trying to push us, go pin 9. Ay, sorry. Pin 7. Rayton, move now, Rayton. Are you AFK? Are you lagging or what? Rayton's got
DC, DC, Bella. DC.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Pa-connect na pa-connect.
Just hit. See, we're top 1 now. We're top 1. Just keep on repeating this, guys. Keep on repeating. Hit the boss. They're fighting. Let them. Oh, Frelea's team, go pin 1. Don't block them. Don't block them. Don't block them. They might engage on you. Go back here, okay? Just hit the boss, guys. Hit the boss. Keep hitting the boss. Nice one. Just keep on hitting the boss. Hit the boss. Hit the boss. Okay? Yeah. Jump now. Pin 7. Jump pin 7. All of you pin 7 now. Pin 7 now. If they go here, we kill them. If they go, okay. Kill whoever's we can pull. Okay? Let them let's pull them down. Okay? Let the V-Cross pass. Let the V-Cross pass. Let the V-Cross pass. Don't hit them. Don't hit the V-Cross, okay? Let them go up. So they will engage the Mogon Kingdom, okay? Don't kill the V-Cross, guys. Don't kill the V-Cross. Just kill the Mugon. Just kill Mugon. Let the V-Cross regroup. We will use them as our mid shield, okay? Nice. Okay? Okay, now let's go back pin 1. Guys. Pin 1. Oh, damn. I've jumped. Go pin 1 again. Pull the boss, hit the boss. Just repeat that. Go. We got a lot of country out of there. Go guys. Just pull the boss, hit the boss. Pull the boss, hit the boss. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Just hit the boss, guys. PK won't give you any item. Just focus on the boss now. When we got the full item, we will do all PvP. Just sacrifice now the PvP content. Let's just do PvE now. See? Just keep on hitting the boss. Just keep on hitting the boss. Keep on hitting the boss, guys. Keep on hitting the boss. Then try to pull them. Pull them and kill them if can. Pull them and kill them if can. Pull them and kill them if can. Good job, guys. Good job, good job, good job on doing it. Freya, I need you to pull. Yeah, I need you to pull the boss. Just play at main ball here. Main ball, main ball. Tight, tight. Go tight, guys. Go tight, go tight. We need to pull the boss. We need to pull the boss. Freya, I need you to pull the boss. Okay, guys. Just go back again, go back at pin 1. Go back at pin 1, guys. Go back at pin 1. Go back at pin 1. Go back at pin 1. Go back. Okay? There. The boss jump. Let's try to pull it again, pull it again, pull it again, pull it again. Pull it again, pull it again. Pull the boss if can, pull the boss if can. Oh, I'm dying. I died, sorry. Just pull it, Frele, okay? Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Nice one, nice. See, the boss is coming towards you guys. Okay, be careful, be careful. If they're pushing you, just jump at pin 7. Pin 7 and let them fight. And if they go down, kill them. Go guys. You can do it, you can do it. I'm coming back, guys. I died. Okay. A lot of them are fighting here downstairs. So it's a win-win for you guys there above. Oh no, we're losing country. Did you guys getting gang up there? Oh yeah, you're getting gang up. Okay. Uh hmm. Okay, so V Cross. This is smart for them. So they gave Mugon. Okay. Okay. Okay, RG at pin 9, RG at pin 9, RG at pin 9, RG at pin 9, okay? Don't go up. Everyone go down, and pin 9. Pin 9, pin 9, pin 9. Everyone pin 9, everyone pin 9. Don't need them, don't need them. Let them RG, let them RG, let them RG. They will file Mugon. We need again V-Cross to fight Mugon. Okay? Just move up, move up, move up, move up, move up. Fuck, there. Oh, damn. Wait. Okay, they want to fight. They want to fight. Okay. Let's engage. Pin 1, pin 1, pin 1. Engage at pin 1. Ay, sorry. Engage at pin 9. Engage at pin 9. They want to fight. Okay, let's fight them. Let's fight them. Fight them for now. Fight them for now. We're losing a lot of country though. Um, let's try to move up again. And go to pin 1 again. Pin 1 again. Pin 1 again. Pin 1, pin 1, pin 1. Try to move at pin 1. Try to move at pin 1, guys. Try to move at pin 1. Try to move at pin 1. Pin 1, pin 1. Pin 1, guys. Pin 1. Pin 1. We need to set up at pin 1 again. Freya, I need you to get the boss now. That's so smart. Yeah, Mugon Scholar is smart also. There you go. Wait, damn. Yeah, just engage on the boss. I'll try to get the boss. There you go. Hit the boss, guys. Get country. Hit the boss, hit the boss. Don't engage Mugon if can, okay? Don't engage to Mugon if can. But if they're trying to engage you, just jump down and see if V-Cross will sandwich them. Damn, we lost like 40 contribution, 40%. 40% country. But I think we can get it back. We can get it back. Uh, yeah. Just hit the boss then. Hit the boss then. Hit the boss then. Hit the boss. Get country, guys. Get country. Get country. Get country. Get country. Then it's much better if you can pull them down rather than kill them. Just pull them down. Pull them down. Mugon. Okay. Then if Bicross fighting Mugon, take the boss. Take the boss. Take the boss. Just hit the boss. Hit the boss. AoE on the boss, guys. AoE on the boss. AoE skills on the boss. There you go. Boss is running towards us. I'll try to get the boss, guys. I'll try my best to get the boss. There you go. Hit the boss now. Hit the boss now. Hit the boss while they're fighting. While they're fighting. Spam everything. Spam everything on the boss. Guardians, remedies, everything, 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 everything on the boss. Everything on the boss. Everything on the boss, guys. Everything on the boss. Everything on the boss. This is our chance. 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 Everything on the boss, guys. This is everything on the boss. Everything on the boss. Everything on the boss, guys. Everything on the boss. Everything on the boss, guys. Everything on the boss. Everything on the boss. Everything on the bus, everything on the bus. Now they're running towards us, they're running towards us. Be careful, you can jump down, you can jump down, jump down, jump down, jump down, jump down. Jump down, jump down, jump down and pull them. Jump down and pull them, jump down and pull them, pull them, pull them, pull them. Pull them, pull them, pull them, pull them, pull them down, pull them down, pull them down. Pull them down. Then, go back now, go back pin one, 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 go back pin one. Then don't let okay, check them, okay? I won't revive so I can call. Okay, just try to pull Mugon, okay? Try to pull Mugon. Try to pull Mugon, then kill them, then don't let them RG. Don't let Mugon RG, don't let Mugon RG, okay? Just keep on pulling Mugon. Keep on pulling Mugon. Then Frele's team try to get the boss, okay? And try to engage on okay, wait. I revive now. I'm coming back. Guys, our country is going, I don't know, is going down or going up, but uh, how's above? Did you guys get sandwich or what? Oh, the boss, get the boss if can. Get the boss if can. Get the boss if can. I need V-Cross to engage Mugon so we can win this. That's our winning condition. I need V-Cross to hit Mugon now. Okay. Let's try to go one again. Pin one again. Pin one again. Pin one again. Pin one again, guys. Pin one again. Pin one again. Okay, let's sandwich Mugon. Let's sandwich Mugon. Let's sandwich Mugon. Let's go. Let's go. Mugon, 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 Mugon. Kill Mugon. Kill Mugon. Kill Mugon. Kill Mugon. Okay. Okay. We focus on Mugon. We focus on Mugon. We focus on Mugon. Mugon now. Mugon now. See, they're dying. They're dying. They're dying. They're dying. Focus on Mugon. Focus on Mugon. Focus on Mugon. Focus on Mugon. Focus on Mugon, guys. Focus on Mugon. Focus on Mugon. Okay, just move what pin for, 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 pin for guys, pin for. Okay, let's pull the boss, 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 pull the boss now, pull the boss now, pull the boss now, pull the boss now, pull the boss now. Pull the boss now, pull the boss now, pull the boss now. Frelea, I need you to stop Mugons to RG, okay? Okay? Everything now on the boss, 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 guys. Remedies, Guardian, everything on the boss, everything on the boss, everything on the boss, guys, everything on the boss. We got our winning condition. They're engaging Mugon. They're engaging on Mugon. I go back, 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 go down, go down, go down, go down, go down now, go down now. Don't lose your country. Go down now, go down now, go down now. You guys too slow. You should anticipate that, guys. When they're moving on you, you should go down. You should go down. Okay. Hit Mugon now. Hit Mugon now. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon at pin. Yeah. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon. Hit Mugon at pin 9. Don't let them regroup. 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 Okay. Don't let Mugon regroup. Don't let Mugon regroup. Relea. Don't let Mugon regroup. Okay. Go up now. Go up now. Go up now. Go up now. Pin one. Pin one. Pin one. Pin one. Pin one. Pin one. And try to get the boss. Try to get the boss. Let's try to get the boss. Damn. This is so hard. Now Vicross is hitting the boss. Okay. So I think, guys, you need to RG fast, RG fast, RG fast. Oh, they're fighting, guys. Go, go, go now, go now, go now. Hit the boss, hit the boss, hit the boss. Where are you, guys? Where are you? Where are you? You need to march now, march now, march now. March now, march now, march now. Yeah, Mugon got this, Mugon got this. It's fine, guys. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'll try to lure the boss. I'll try to lure the boss. Boss at 10%, guys. Boss at 10%. Just keep on getting country. Getting country. Let's try to get top 2. Guys, you need to focus on hitting the boss. You need to jump now. Jump down now. Jump down now. Jump down now. Yeah, Mugon is pushing. Mugon is pushing. Jump down now. Jump down. Jump down. Jump down. Yeah, 9%. We need 9% more. 9% to win. 8%. 8% guys to win. Even though we attack Mugon. Yeah, okay. Wait then. Wait Mugon. Wait Mugon. Wait Mugon. Try to wipe Mugon. Try to wipe Mugon. Try to wipe Mugon. Try to wipe Mugon. Oh. You got this? Just try to wipe Mugon. Oh. 33? 4%? Damn. Near guys, near. Yeah, so close, so close, so close. So close. Yeah, so close. It's like 2%. 2% at the end, 2%. It's 33-35. 33-35. Okay. It's 33-35, guys. But we're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. So you remember, right? Mugon, this is the team that spank us at Leviathan. Hindi rin kayang i-wipe yon kasi ang move ng V-Cross is mang-iipit. Hindi kaya. Hindi siya kaya. Hindi kaya yon. Ipitin tayo ng malulus tayo ng country. So it's fine guys. I think we lost it's not 48-40. It's not 44-48. I think it's like 40. Hindi siya. Ipapakol ko naman if alam kong magkaya siya, hindi siya. No, it's not 43 because Ram did not teleport. Some of the people did not teleport also. Yeah. So it's like 30 plus versus 48. So see guys, we did good even though we're not complete. It's just that unluckily V-Cross engaged on us, then Mugon got freed on the boss. Yeah. Yeah, that's the problem. A lot of people here at M3 doesn't want to do GVG. They want to do peace. That it's not, I don't know how to fix that. It's Rem's call. How to fix that? Yeah. For me, Rem should impose punishment for those people. Yeah, because like, see, if we are 48-48, I think we can win this. See, we're strong, we're strong. We have good coordination. You guys following everything I said. But the problem is we don't have enough people. We're missing one party. No, not one party. It's 38. We're missing 6. No, yeah, one party. We're missing one party. One party. We're missing 10 people. We're missing 10 people, guys. No QB. It's not 44-48 because some of the people did not teleport. So it's like 30 plus. I think 38. Yeah. Around 38. But it's good, guys. It's good. It's good. We just need people to commit. We just need people to commit on GVGs. If we have people that are really committed on playing GVGs, I think we can win this. Yeah, they don't lose country when they drop down. Yes, you that the advantage there, if you pull them down and did not kill them, they need to RG. So if they need to RG, they lose a lot of people, right?